और Kapatisi TV.
Puli MBBS ha India ne Shabari kum ha Russia, Uzbekistan, Georgia, China, Philippines but kiwe de kiri. Kidi ki top medical colleges but ru hakador babiang.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Komentari Pelatengka jong Sarkar Pedeng ke Nirmala Sitharaman Kablawan Senong Bak Shalong Hakapor Bakwan Benpli Kapulu Shopping Complex Kala Aya Khanshi Hau Menteri Rangba ke Jela Conrad ke Sama Bun Khap Ksai Ribon Kum Kadak ke Jingpli Yakani Shopping Complex Hakani ke video lai I Bak Nirmala ke Shim ya Khanshi Na tre Berka Ai Conrad Bun Khap Haka Beningkong Conrad Tre Hendai Hadin Bakala Yaiban Ula Shim Ben Khap Yo Ribon.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our speakers for this momentous occasion. Kindly put your hands together, ladies and gentlemen, as the Union Minister of Finance inaugurates the Global Commercial Complex. The Honourable Finance Minister will now unveil the inaugural plate of the complex.
So with that, now we are inaugurating one of the bigger projects. This is another project, 200 crores business center, which is under construction. Another 1 year, this will be ready. This is the integrated command and control center. This is the actual picture. This is complete. So this is where, ma'am, we have got the entire smart city, the screen and all the videos which gets control. So all the cameras and everything. And this is where the state weather center also is going to come up. So this is the riverfront, ma'am. Just behind is the river. We are developing. This is a Saski project. We are developing the riverfront. These are the sports hostels we plan to build for the national games. So because this is all our sports area. This is called the polo area, which is where the entire sports complex. So that where we had in fact, we had conceptualized that and made it part of the project. We have a huge traffic issue. So once we start doing that, there will be 2 years of unique traffic. So we are not that we'll do this in the next phase, but we'll be able to shift the city out into the city, and then that combination will happen. This is the party on this Nirmala. Basically the 9th lanes where the junction. Police bazaar is what it's called. So this is the prime place, but it's also the hub of traffic, a lot of traffic. So we are reimagining that, we are kind of trying to redesign.
From the hills of the east, a new voice rises. Hello Meghalaya, our state's first ever OTT platform streaming stories, music and dreams. From folklore to films, beats to breakthroughs, this is where culture meets creativity. Discover award-winning talents, breakthrough creators, and untold stories that deserves to be seen. From soulful podcasts to live streams and dreamers. This is your stage, your spotlight. Hello Meghalaya. Your story starts here.